Okay, so welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be a cooking video, and it's going to be a pretty simple day today. We're making tostadas, so if you don't know what that is, stay tuned so you can see the results. Okay, so for starters, we're going to get our pot. I'm going to put some water in it, and then we're going to put it on the stove. And I'm going to show y'all what I put in it for my seasoning. So I'm gonna cut the stove on to about 6. This is what I use. It's consome. It's basically chicken powder, but I use this for everything. I don't know if it's just a Mexican thing, but anytime we boil anything, macaroni, green beans, corn, this is what we use. Any type of meat that we boil, this is what we use. Okay, so next is rinsing off the chicken and putting it in the pot. So let me just explain to y'all what Tostada'S is. It's a Mexican dish, I guess. It's basically these little big old tortilla chips. What are they really called? I don't know how else to explain them, but like a big old tortilla chip, round. You get a chip, you put beans on it, you put queso fresco, cheese on it. It's not like the melted kind of cheese, but you put this. Then you put your meat, and then you top it with vegetables, so like lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and then it's really like just a big old salad bowl with a big chip. But it's good, it's easy, and it's simple. So I'm fixing to rinse the chicken and then move it into the pot. Clean your sink before you rinse your meat. Do these beans. I'm gonna put the beans in a pot, and these beans I actually made, and I saved some so we can smush it if we wanted to, which I'm gonna do today. So these are the beans I made. I gotta show y'all a video of me making this. I'm gonna dump these beans in here, heat them up. Beans don't take long to heat up, so, and it's actually gonna go back in this when I'm done. Now what I'm gonna do is shred this cheese. This cheese is very easy to shred. You literally just crumple it up and it just shreds like it needs to be. It's not like regular melting cheese, so you guys will see. We also have Mexican sour cream. This sour cream is really good for tostadas. Regular sour cream is also fine, but personally me, I like this one. I do live in a Mexican household, so I'm gonna show y'all how easy this is to, look, it's already started. You literally just, that's how this cheese is. It's so easy compared to you just sitting there shredding some cheese. And there you have it. Either once they get warm, I'm gonna start smushing them down. I might just start.
Wait, I have another chip one, but it broke, so I'm gonna use this one. Just smush it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these dishes. So my phone actually ended up dying and I'm on my iPad now, but I just shredded up the chicken and I put it in this container. Once it was done boiling, I actually just used 2 forks and shredded them. So this is the chicken, and yeah. So I'm gonna eat, make my plate, put everything together so you guys can see how it turns out. Stay tuned.